Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, I'm going to give you guys my review of Contour Me by Nikki. This is a actual YouTuber by the name of Platinum D. I've been watching her for a while, and she curated her own collection of undergarments. So I'm gonna get my packing slip, and I ordered the Carter Panty with attachments and medium large, the Libra Leggings standard black, and then the Dallas Thong. And this is how the Dallas Thong looks. It comes with the attachment at the front, and I actually got this in a extra small to a small, and it was $18, and this was my favorite. Okay, this actually sucks you in. This gets you right, get you looking good underneath your clothes, especially if you are a mom and you have a fupa or you're self-conscious of your belly area. This was amazing, and this is actually in the standard line. This, get it, okay, get it. And I'll try to insert clips of like before and after of how I look without and actually how I look with. But so this is my midsection without anything on. This is how my belly looks. I'm currently 6 months postpartum. So yeah, let's try on this Dallas Thong first, and then get it. Okay, if you're in the market for an undergarment that's gonna like suck your belly in and have you looking good underneath your clothes, this is it. Okay, perfect. And then this is the Libra Leggings, and this is standard black, and it comes in the standard collection, and it's $15. And this is in a small, as you can see. This is how it looks, and it's definitely thick. This is not one of those leggings that you can actually see through, which I like, and it has a whole lot of tummy control. So if you wanted to work out in these, this would be great. However, these are a bit thick, and I would say, especially in Florida, this would be a bit too hot to wear, but these are perfect for like now.
I absolutely love the Libra leggings. If you're gonna get anything, get that on the Dallas Thong.
I got was the Carter Panty with attachment, and this was $35. I got it in medium large, and this was in the luxury collection. This is how it looks. It has the attachment at the bottom. Sorry if it's blended in with my background. And it comes with some straps. You definitely come with the lining to make sure it don't slip down. Honestly, this was my least favorite. I guess this one kind of rounded out my tummy area. It didn't flatten it, not like the Dallas Thong did. Like Dallas Thong like flattened it out. This kind of rounded it out, and I find that a lot of shapewear or undergarments like this actually do that. They round out your belly instead of flatten it. And I got a medium large, and for reference, I am 5'6", I weigh 180, my bust is a 37, waist is a 33, and then my hips are a 45. So if you guys are around the same size as me, those were the sizes that I got. I actually got this in a medium large, and that would be my regular size. And this was very, very hard to get on, like super duper hard to get on. So I could never see myself actually sizing down in this to like for it to actually like snatch me in more, because this is in a medium large and it was very, very hard to get on. So I can't imagine myself in a extra small extra small to a small, because that I definitely couldn't get that up. So that's this one. This was actually my least favorite. She has some more stuff that she just put on her website, which I'm looking forward to. Let me go on there and see. I've been watching Platinum. I've been watching Platinum D from high school, and now I'm a whole mom with kids, and now I'm actually interested in shapewear and undergarments. Like before I wasn't. So her website is actually contourmebynikki.com. So she have the Feels non-latex vest. I'm really interested in that one. And the sugar bodysuit. I felt like I should have got the sugar bodysuit instead of the Carter Panty with attachment, because I felt like the sugar bodysuit would actually suck me in more. So I have my eyes on those two items. I'm probably gonna get those the next time I shop with her, because I'm completely happy with the Dallas thong and the leggings. And now I know what type of shapewear I actually prefer, so now I know what to get. And for her company, they have a non-refundable policy, because this is actually intimate wear, and I would never want somebody to try this on and send it back, like not sanitary. So I completely agree. So yeah, now I'm gonna try go into the before and afters with these, and I'm actually gonna try on the Libra leggings so you guys can see it. Oh, and she also sent me a gift, and it says thank you, and this is a lippy from Smashbox. So thank you. So that is how the Libra leggings look on, and the Dallas thong. For reference, I'm normally a US size 8. I fall anywhere between a 6, 8, and 10, depending on the type of clothes, depending on what the material is made of. So yeah, that is my review of Contour Me by Nikki. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.